Hey, welcome to the Summer Lawn Mowing Crew, here to get you started on having an easy summer lawn mowing business from A to easy. I'm going to guide you each step by step with modules, lessons, pro tips, and frequently asked questions in each module. So let's get started. So let me list the modules in order for you. There are 11 modules in total, starting with module 1, which is the one you are seeing, is the intro module, where I'll be telling you briefly what to expect, what to anticipate from this module and the other modules. Keep in mind that on the PDF and on the video modules, you will see 3 colors. Here is what they represent. Red means that it will be an example to follow. Green means a pro tip. And blue is a homework task or a question, a frequently asked question you may face. Going forward, module 2 is equipment. There, I'll be covering the equipment you will need to have a easy and profitable summer lawn mowing business. I will cover the big equipment plus the smaller equipment in your box, what you will need, how much it would cost, where to find it, how much to pay for it, and all of those items. Module 3 is services. What are you actually going to cover? What is your offer? And so that it'll be clear to your clients what services you provide, nothing more and nothing less. Module 4 is operations. In operations, I will go over with you from your services what you will actually do. How does a lawn mowing work? How does it cover? What lawns do you mow? How do you leaf blow? How do you trim? How do you carry back and forth? All of these things are building and building up to your knowledge and skills in operations. Module 5 is ramp. Optional. Should you be a solo lawnmower and you need to do this by yourself, you will need a ramp. A ramp is a 2-wood device that will help you load and unload the heavy lawn mower up and down your vehicle. It is essential so that you don't injure your body and you can have an easy, successful, profitable summer lawn mowing business. Module 6 is billing. In billing, we are going to go over how to bill your potential client, how to charge, why it should be charged this way, and other ways so it can be priced fairly, correctly, and in a way where it benefits the client as well. Module 7 is contracts. In contracts module, you're going to know the right way, the best way for 2 parties to come together on a document stating all what they need, coming to agree on the terms and the pricing, and carry out those services promised so that both parties are happy, everybody knows what the other party is anticipating. Module 8, marketing. This is the gargantuan, huge module. In marketing, I'm going to really build up your mindset, build up and change the way you talk. Marketing, you have to know how to market yourself. You have to know what value you are providing out there proudly, with value, with a price, and talk to your potential clients in a way they will understand you. Know that you have something to give and they will gladly pay for those services. We're going to cover who to market to, what the things you should say, why you're saying them, and all the way up down to the point of sale where it really, really matters. And even going forward, how to organize all your clients so that you stay organized as well. Module 9 is frequently asked questions. Over the many years of having an easy and profitable summer lawn mowing business, I have come across the same questions over and over and over again that will help me get out of these tiny little hiccups when landing a client. It's questions that seem to always come up. Have gotten better at how to answer them, and I know that these will help you as well. Module 10 is the fun part, the fun module, legal, taxes, and insurance. I will always state as a disclaimer, I am not a legal profession. I am not an insurance agent, a tax accountant, and even if I were an insurance agent, a tax accountant, a lawyer, I am not your insurance agent, tax attorney, or lawyer. However, I'll give my best entertainment advice on how to go around legal, taxes, and insurance when you have your easy and profitable summer lawn mowing business. Finally, wrapping up with Module 11, winterizing and preparing for the entire season. In here, I'm going to show you the right way to wrap up the season, not just with your equipment, but with your clients, and how to correctly and prepare yourself for the following season so it flows through seamlessly to the next summer. And remember the 3 colors. Red are examples, green is a pro tip, blue is homework or frequently asked questions. So good luck, but you know what? You don't really need luck because you're with LawnUp, the great course on how to have a profitable and easy summer lawn mowing business. I have to stress this enough, do not skip. I have meticulously and thoughtfully put an order in so that it will make sense step by step if you are brand new to mowing lawns for the summer, that it will answer any questions you have and give you a straightforward from beginning to end on how to have an easy summer lawn mowing business. Also, please, if you need to, rewatch the module, take notes, and please be active in the Facebook group. I'll be there. You'll have the community in there as well to really guide and have questions you have. If you just need to rant too, that's a nice place to go. But these modules are in step-by-step order, so please do not skip. So let's get started.